Are you sure?
Keep your rod tip going.
It's a big one.
Like, go to the side of it.
You gotta keep your rod tip up so it bends it. Keep your rod tip up. Yeah, like that.
You want to show me who you are?
Probably a sturgeon.
Out it. Don't start it like this. You never know, bro.
Still going?
Nope. I'm just my time.
Yeah, just take your time.
Ooh, he's going under, yeah. No, it's okay, it's okay.
It's okay. That's a biggie. Keep your rod tip up.
Okay, wait. Just lighten that drag a little more.
Yeah, that's probably a sturgeon.
Don't reel while he's pulling. He wants to go or let him go.
Yeah,
It could be a cat.
could be. Does it fight like a cat?
Not really going on hard rods. Definitely count out a channel. What the hell is that? That carp?
It can't be a carp.
Holy crap! Oh, it is a catfish. No, that's a catfish.
Oh, it's a catfish.
Bring this way, bring this way.
That's a huge ass
I
catfish.
think it's down.
What the hell? Woo! That's the first catfish, man.
It's your first cat?
This is my first cat. My first ever catfish, and it's a biggie.
Take a picture. There you go. Hold on, let me get you releasing that.